Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to see how to do Surnali, the Konkan pancakes. You can do the Surnali with and without sweetness. What I have done here is the sweet version. And if you don't want sweetness, just avoid jaggery, that's it. For the batter, take 2 cups of raw rice. To this, add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Clean this and soak it in water for about 2 to 3 hours. In another bowl, take 3/4 cup of flattened rice. Clean this and soak it in water for about half an hour. This will get soft quickly. So first soak the raw rice and give some time, and then you move on to the flattened rice. Transfer the raw rice and the flattened rice into the mixie jar. And here you don't have to add the water in which the rice is soaked. Just filter the water and add the raw rice and the flattened rice. To this, add a 1/4 cup of curd, 3/4 cup of jaggery, half a cup of scraped coconut, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mostly you won't need water to grind this, but if needed, add it little. You have to grind this into a fine paste. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this, let us add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. We have to leave this for at least 8 to 9 hours for fermentation, so I am going to leave this overnight. As I have added jaggery, the batter won't rise much, but you can see that it has got fermented. So our batter is ready. Let us give one good mix. Spread this on a hot tawa. You have to spread this thick. Spread some oil or ghee. Let us close this and cook for a few minutes. Here the dosa is ready. We can take it out now. This will be so soft and will taste so good. If you are doing this without jaggery, you can have some chutney or sambar as combination. But for the sweet dosa, you don't need any combination. You can have it as it is. The Surnali is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.